I don't know if you wanted a plate or if you were like good with paper towels, so I like brought the option. And then
I'm good with paper towels.
I don't know how like civilized you want it to be, but
I'm not civilized.
this is how I live, so
Just let me.
where I have to like then explain like Carly was here
You do this.
and she did this and she said this and
Oh, no.
please believe me.
Fuck. I just messed it all up.
Nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I
Do you
have
like popcorn? You can't have any, because I'm...
pizza and wine and popcorn and wine
and me.
and leftover trail mix and another experiment. This time there's a twist, which is alcohol.
Oh no.
This is, oh, I forgot my goggles.
I mean-
I can't wear them on my eyeballs because they're like for kids.
If
so,
I'm
like,
being honest,
ow.
they look nice though. I mean, smash or pass, everyone. Smash or pass. Smash! Oh, smash.
Garlic knots.
Yep.
Oh god. Oh god. That could
Come
have
on,
been
stop
so bad.
All on the floor.
I got pizza.
I
Oh
mean,
my god.
quality content. I mean,
Oh no.
guys. Oh shit.
I would say that I'm mad at it, but like I'm not.
I just got in my pizza.
It's better than pizza
This
and
is good.
alcohol. I know my shit.
It's fucking barbarian ass shit.
Let's get started. The science of recorking is you stick the cork back into the bottle. And then
But it's empty.
you set it here.
You're welcome.
Science. Am I recording? Yep.
Oh.
I don't know what science comes out of this box, but apparently 40 different experiments come out of here. So let's find out what they are. Oh, thank God. Who knew a piece of Scotch tape would keep me out of a box? But like, I don't know. This thing of cardboard with stuff in it. Oh no.
I post the instructions.
No. There's a poster about chemistry, but guess what?
Hang it on your wall. What's that? Oh, your dog just put his tongue in my... I have been violated.
I got the drunchies like nobody's business.
The what?
Drunchies?
What's that?
Drunk munchies.
Oh.
Who wants a brownie party?
There's a lot of stuff in there. Did you say that already?
There's this sugar stuff. There's some more sugar stuff.
I mean...
Some tubes. Glue.
Yeah. I can count to 40.
We gotta pick the best one.
I mean, I can count to 10 right now, but like 40 usually.
Make your own worms.
Take the girl to dinner first.
Holy shit.
Worm.
The eternal flame?
It can't get any hotter in here.
Match not included. Who the fuck keeps matches in the house?
For the science experiment?
I have a lighter.
I mean, it sounds like a bad idea. You try.
Sodium tetraborate. I'm assuming that's like borax.
Borax?
Yeah. Where am I? Oh, water, cup, glue.
Water? We only have wine. Can wine do?
Yes.
Okay. Get up.
Ooh,
run,
it says to add food coloring to create colorful slimy goop. And I might have that.
It sounded like you said human. I think you said human?
Yeah, I have human.
You don't have powdered human up there. You powdered human?
Powdered human.
Okay. You could have asked me to help you get that.
This is like 20 milliliters. 15 milliliters would not be a lot of water. I'm just saying, like, what are you gonna do
It's
with that?
not enough. You know better than the
So,
science experiment.
Squeeze
Need
the
a
glue
spoon.
tube.
Glue?
What? Oh.
Back? Oh. My.
Oh no.
It's coming. Look at the tip. It's coming.
Okay. We'll figure it out. Where's the easy? Oh no.
Guys. Oh.
Why?
Okay.
Seems sufficient.
That seems like half. Half.
Squeeze the glue tube into the solution.
I got you. How much? B.
It doesn't say. It just says squeeze. So.
Eek. Freak.
And then I have this food coloring, so it's gonna be
blue. Don't lick it.
Because if you all know your primary colors, blue and red, what do they make?
Oh my, I know this. Purple.
Purple.
Oh my gosh, it's a volcano, boys and girls.
Nothing is happening.
It
looks like black sludge.
Is this the, oh, did you hear that?
I mean, I did. I don't know if they did, but I did.
I mean,
this looks like liquid butts. This looks like an alien's fucking... Oh, it looks like a snot.
I want to touch it.
Ew!
Oh no, what? Ah! It got on my face!
I mean, on the plus side, it's purple.
I mean, but, oh.
Did it get in your hand?
I mean, it might have. But is there another experiment that
I don't
uses
know.
glue, or is it
I guess
just
we're not.
this one?
I guess we're not doing another experiment with glue.
I mean,
I'm about to use
it. Oh,
really just like sticking. Look at this.
I feel like there's
Like,
a lot
this
of.
looks so fucking gross.
I feel like there's a lot of problems.
It looks like an egg sack, like an alien egg sack hanging, just like waiting to birth a new alien. Hate you.
I'm waiting for a volcano or something. That's the kind of science I'm here for. It's
All
like,
right. Well, a lot of these experiments. Foam.
Is there-
Tardic. Create your own glow stick.
There we go.
Oh, basketball game tomorrow.
It's Virgo season.
God damn it. I know.
We should do science in the hot tub.
We can't go in the hot tub.
I mean, nobody told us no. And this little beach.
Lemon not included.
My.
Okay. First of all, what is a litmus experiment?
I mean,
Because like, I know it's a thing, but like,
I don't know.
ooh, you use a pipette for that. Sodium tetraborate crystal. Do I gotta leave it out for a day?
I mean,
Let's sit overnight.
I don't have overnight.
God damn it. Oh my god.
Season.
I know, I was thinking about garlic knots. Right?
Oh,
Right? I don't see it. Good thing I have an extra from the other night when I also got drunk and also got marinara sauce and also got bread. Woo! Oh. What in the world happened?
I said naughty.
Just asking an adult to help with this experiment.
No adults are present.
Adult! Please,
Where are you?
please help. Mix 1 spoonful baking soda and 1 spoonful tartic acid.
Tardic. That sounds difficult.
All right.
I mean, if we
Fine.
get this, but we're gonna have to hot tub in your bathtub.
Oh,
I mean,
I'm like, how are you supposed to put this in here, by the way?
Can
we just talk about that? I don't use this plate to like.
Good, but it's better than most.
I have a piece of popcorn stuck in my throat. This is the worst thing that could ever happen.
Oh
to me.
no. See? The world is
No,
round.
it's still in there. No way that this is like a
You're
normal.
doing so good though. I'm impressed. Boys and girls.
I got so much of it. I like did not
I
put a
mean-
lot of that in there, so I feel like I need to get closer, which makes me really sad.
Oh.
Wait, are you supposed to? How are you supposed to mix them? It says mix. Hold on.
There we go.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Gosh, that.
Oh!
Sorry.
First of all, doesn't baking soda do that by itself?
I mean, for our purposes,
Wait.
this is the only scenario when a volcano will happen. This is
But-
incredible.
Well, this kit did not come with goggles and no safety equipment.
We've just got our own because we know to be prepared.
Oh,
Pines
the
Beach,
whole
it's Virgo
time.
season. We go do science.
I mean, like, the experiment or the excavation was like a good time because I was like enjoying myself trying to find my little gems. This is bullshit.
This is bullshit because I feel like nothing's going as planned. And it might be my inability to read instructions right now.
This is all the shit you need that's like not in the box.
Mm-hmm.
Like
I'd be
creating
pissed.
concentrated solid sodium acetate. How the fuck am I supposed to know what that is?
But maybe that's just me.
You need tonic water.
We need...
Not included.
We need...
Who has tonic water in their house that isn't 85 years old?
We need to fill up...
Tartic acid solution. Supplies. Test tube. Tartic acid. Water. Not included. Fucking cool. Dissolve 1 spoonful of tartic acid in half a test tube of water. This is a tartic acid solution.
I am not here for this absolute bullshit.
If I want to make a crystal, gotta wait a day. You know what I don't have to wait a day for? Foam it up.
You don't have to wait a day for that.
Still foaming. Sort of.
You guys look sleepy. You want to go to bed?
I'm really upset.
Here. Open up.
I had a kernel in my mouth.
Hashtag science. I mean, how do you feel now?
A little better.
This has been Science with Morgan and Carly.
This has been bullshit.
I hope you learned something from this.
I'm angry.
I hope you learned how to
Science?
science.
I'm keeping that.
I mean, this could come in handy.
I mean, that is like the only good thing. I paid for a black light.
You did. And it was worth.
Oh,
Yeah. It's still bubbling though.
And foam it up.
It's a,
I will give it to
that
foam
was
it up.
specimens and such.
Oh, it's too bright. That's it. And I hate it. Don't buy this. Not even if you want your kids to like
Do
learn
science.
things, because buy the excavation one, because that one's better. Also, what is this crystal? That's one of the ones you have to wait overnight for.
I mean,
I'm mad about it. So,
you're welcome.
subscribe or don't. Like or dislike. Comment or don't. You know? It's wherever your third eye leads you. If you believe in that thing. Which you can believe in whatever you want, but like wherever that takes you, you just go there for it, because that's all that matters. I'll see you,
Okay, bye.
I'll catch you on the flippity flop, my dudes.
I mean,
And if the flopper is the other side of this glass of wine.
we'll be there.
Oh, that was warm.